A blown thermal fuse in a dryer can be a frustrating issue, but understanding the possible causes can help resolve the problem. A clogged dryer vent is often the culprit, as it prevents airflow and causes the dryer to overheat, leading to a blown thermal fuse. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the dryer, as well as using it in a well-ventilated space, can help prevent this issue. Overloading the dryer is another common cause, as it leads to overheating and trips the thermal fuse as a safety mechanism. To avoid this, it is essential to load the drum to the required level and avoid excessive clothing. A faulty heating element can also cause the thermal fuse to blow, as it generates heat in the dryer and can lead to overheating when it malfunctions. In such cases, having the heating element replaced by a technician may be necessary. Additionally, a malfunctioned thermostat can result in the thermal fuse blowing due to overheating. To address this, it is crucial to have the machine checked by a professional who can troubleshoot and find a solution to the problem. By identifying and addressing these potential causes, it is possible to fix a thermal fuse that keeps blowing and ensure the dryer functions properly.